Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss what are the different types of the noise. So before we start the noise models, we will discuss what you mean by noise. So signal noise in its most basic sense is any unwanted interference that degrades a communication signal. In photography, the term digital noise refers to a visual distortion. Noise appearance disturbs the original information in image. Noise looks like tiny colored pixels or specks in your photograph. Noise can distort the visual detail of your project of your photo, making it something that photographers try to avoid. Several factors can affect the level of noise, including sensor size, higher ISO settings, and long exposures. Noise is very difficult to remove it from the digital images without the prior knowledge of noise models. So there are different sources of the noise due to the image acquisition and image transmission. So here the figure in this figure there is a noise present in analog signal and this is the noise present in the digital signal. So this is the noise in the digital signal and this is the noise in analog signal. See, this is the original image and this is with noise. Again, this image is original image and this noise image is with the noise. So we will now discuss the different noise models. So noise produces undesirable effect like artifacts, unrealistic edges, unseen lines, corners, blurred objects, and disturbs background scenes. To reduce these undesirable effects, prior learning of noise models is essential for further processing. Digital noise may arise from various kinds of sources such as charge coupled device and complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensors. Point spreading function, PSF, modulation transfer function, probability density function or histogram is used to design and characterize the noise model. But most commonly, probability density function is used. So first we discuss the Gaussian noise model. It is also called as the electronic noise because it arises in amplifiers or detectors. Gaussian noise caused by natural sources such as thermal vibration of atoms and discrete nature of radiation of warm object. Gaussian noise generally disturbs the gray levels in digital images. That is why Gaussian noise model essentially designed and characterized by its PDF or normalized histogram with respect to gray values. So this is Gaussian noise model. So most commonly it is used. So PDF of Gaussian random variable z, it is given by the formula P of z is equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi into sigma into e raised to minus in bracket z minus mu square upon 2 sigma square, where z is the gray level, mu is the mean of average value of z, sigma is the standard deviation of z and sigma square is variance of z. This is the graph of the PDF of Gaussian noise. So it is a bell-shaped curve. So at the 70% we get the PDF. It is about 0.0607 upon under root 2 pi into sigma, and at the mean we get it is 1 upon under root 2 pi into sigma. So the PDF of this noise model shows that 70% to 90% noisy pixel value of degraded image is between mu minus sigma and mu plus sigma. Now we discuss next, that is the salt and pepper noise. So this is also called the data drop noise because statically it drops the original data value. For example, if the pixel value is 212, If this is corrupted by paper noise, then this value is replaced by 0. That is the drop, the original data value. That is 212 changes to the 0. So this noise is also referred as the salt and pepper noise. However, the image is not fully corrupted by salt and pepper noise. Instead of some pixel values are changed in the image. This noise is seen in data transmission. Image pixel values are replaced by corrupted pixel values, either maximum or minimum value, that is 255 or 0 respectively. Salt and pepper noise generally corrupted the digital image by malfunctioning of pixel elements in camera sensors, faulty memory space in storage, error in digitization process, and many more. So this is the PDF of the salt and pepper noise. It is given by P of Z is equal to PA for Z is equal to A, PB for Z is equal to B, or 0 otherwise. So here we made two spikes. PDF values are minimum and maximum. Here in region A it is a minimum and in B it is maximum. So this is about the salt and pepper noise. Next is the Rayleigh noise. This type of noise is mostly present in radar range images. Range images are used in many remote sensing applications where the pixel value indicates the distance between the object and camera system. The PDF of Rayleigh noise is given by P of Z is equal to 2 upon B into bracket Z minus A into E raised to minus Z in minus into bracket Z minus A bracket complete square upon B for Z greater than or equal to A, or 0 for Z less than A. The mean value is given by mu is equal to A plus under root pi b upon 4, and variance, that sigma square is equal to b into 4 minus pi upon 4. So if you plot the PDF, we get the curve like this. Okay, the plot of Rayleigh distribution is shown in the figure. It is not symmetric, it is skewed to the right. So application areas, so MRI images, underwater images, these are the application of Rayleigh noise. So next is gamma noise. So the shape of the gamma noise is similar to the Rayleigh noise. The gamma noise distribution starts from 0. See here, it starts from 0. It occurs due to the illumination problem. The PDF of gamma noise is given by P of Z is equal to A raised to B Z into B minus 1 upon B minus 1 factorial into e raised to minus a into z for z greater than equal to 0, or 0 for z less than 0. The mean value is given by mu is equal to b upon a and variance is given, that is b upon a square. Gamma noise occur in laser based images. Next noise is the uniform noise. As the name suggests, this noise is uniform over a certain band of gray levels. It occurs due to the quantization process, that is, in the conversion of analog to the digital conversion. The PDF of uniform noise is given by P of Z is equal to 1 upon B minus A for A less than equal to Z less than equal to B, otherwise it is 0. So where Z is gray level, again mu is the mean of average value of Z and sigma square is variance of Z. So it is uniform over a certain band of gray levels. So mu is given by mu is equal to A plus B upon 2 and sigma square is equal to B minus A square upon 12. Here A and B are minimum and maximum gray scale values of the images. So next is exponential noise. This type of noise occurs in images mostly due to illumination problem, that is due to light falling on the object. The PDF of exponential noise is given by P of z is equal to A into e raised to minus a z for z greater than equal to 0 or 0 for z less than 0. From here, mu is equal to 1 upon a and variance is equal to 1 upon a square. See here the exponential curve for the noise model. So this is about the different noise models. So thank you.